Stop or not?
Stop or not nation, there's no shame in liking this video, but there is shame in not subscribing to my channel. Welcome to Stop or Not, episode 21. Alright Subaru, are we gonna stop or will we not? That's a not. Subaru number 2. That's a not. Volkswagen, how about you? No for the Volkswagen. How about you, Prius? If they stop here, it doesn't count. They have to stop at the limit line. That's a no and a no. No Honda, no Prius. All right, Toyota, stop or not? We have a not. Audi. We have a not. Honda at the corner, stop or not? We have a not. Lexus, stop or not? We have a not. Subaru Forester, we have a not. Tesla, stop or not? Let's find out. We have a not. Another Subaru, stop or not? We have a no. Still not a stop. Nissan Xterra. We have a not. Subaru. We have a not. Audi, let's see if the Audi's gonna stop. We have a not. All right, Nissan. We have a not. Congratulations to the Tesla here for a stop. Audi, stop or not? We have a not. Yes to the Toyota making the turn, and yes to the Toyota there. How about you, Honda? Honda still hasn't made a full and complete stop, so no for the Honda. Yes to the Subaru, congratulations. What about you, bicyclists with your precious cargo? Absolutely not. Bicycles refuse to stop at stop signs, even with their children on board. Shame and dishonor to Bicycle Nation everywhere. And shame to the Yaris for the rolling stop. How about you, Honda Civic? No to the Civic. And no to the Kia. And no to the Hyundai. Yes to the Hyundai. Congratulations, but you weren't going to go. How about you, Lexus? Will you stop? You will not, even with the car coming. Honda, will you stop? You will. Congratulations, gold sword of the Honda. Tesla Nation, will you stop? You will not. Ford Ranger, you're still rolling. You haven't stopped yet, you son of a gun. All right, Toyota Nation, will you stop? You will. Full complete stop. Gold star, congratulations. Honda, will you stop? You will not. Nissan Versa, absolutely not. Chevy, still rolling, never stopping. How about you, Jeep? Absolutely not for the Jeep. Stop or not nation, thank you for watching episode 21. If I made you smile, a like is always appreciated. And if you think about it, why not just join? I'm looking for 500 channel subscribers in order to meet my goal, so I can be monetized and become a YouTube millionaire and quit my day job. All kidding aside, just your view is enough for me, and I appreciate it. Until next time, Stop or Not Nation, this has been DJ Not, and I'm out.
Presenting the worst of the worst. You're not of the day.
We were born to stop. We were and dishonor. Shame and dishonor. Shame and dishonor. Shame and dishonor.